What's up guys, my name is RPA Destiny Gaming and I am back after a week. Sorry I haven't done consistent videos. This is Subway Surfers number 2 and if you can hear me, because I don't know if you can hear me guys. If the music doesn't work, sorry, because I am listening to the music on a Bluetooth earpiece. Okay, but yeah, there's nothing really much else to say. But the Xbox One S review is only going to happen this year, December, because I'm not going to get the Xbox One S now. I'm going to get a Wii U, guys. Yes, that is coming to a surprise to your ears, I know. Should I double it up? Yeah, let's try and double it up. Oh, I'm so sorry for showing this on camera, guys. How much seconds is that? Move! Out of my way! Okay, no. Okay, guys, I've got 2 keys. And now I've got 13 keys, okay. And now guys, I'm going to be showing you what I've done over the weekend. I have done characters. I have gone from Jake to the dark outfit of Jake, and I've got a new hoverboard. First I had this hoverboard, which is the normal, but now I have the starboard, which I also got for free, special power star trail. Yeah, I'm going to be doing 3 runs each and every day, and this is my second run that we're about to do now. And then after this, I will make a vlog video and tell you more about everything else then. I don't know if you guys can hear the music or not. I hope you don't, so you can listen to my commentary. But if you can't hear my commentary, I'll say everything in the vlog. And yeah. Bum, 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 bum. If you guys can't hear the music and I can, it's not your fault. It's me. I am just doing this on my earpiece. And how many times have I been saying that now? So if you didn't get it, I'll tell you in the vlog again. Hup, hup. And guys, this is not a recorded video. I am actually playing this in real time. Hiya! Bum, 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 bum. Whoa. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Ah, I hit something there. Yeah. Oops. Okay, guys, one more run and I'm going to end this video. I'm gonna stop talking now. Ah, no! Okay, guys, that's all I have to say for this. I'll see you all, guys. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and ask and yeah, that's all. Share this video and goodbye.